Well, I think like most people in mining, we kind of stumbled upon it. Hi, my name is Alma. I am a senior here at the University of Arizona. I study geology, mining, and GIS. I started off just knowing I liked being outdoors. Being here at the U of A, I actually found out about the miner and how much they encourage to get an internship over the summer. Having an opportunity to be like at an actual mine site and be working, I got to meet the people that work in mining. I got to see the actual work that happens and the process, and having like a 3-month experience, like boots on the ground, really just solidified my love for mining. I got the Freeport scholarship through the School of Mining last year, and then I've also gotten scholarships through Women in Mining Arizona and a couple other departmental scholarships from the Geosciences department. Well, the University of Arizona has a really good geology program, and like the professors are world class. So as a geologist, I have experience working underground as a production geologist, and I really want to do some exploration work, really trying to get my boots on the ground experience very early on. Well, mining isn't your Minecraft, you are going down there with a pick and axe. Mining, you aren't covered in soot anymore. If you want to work in mining, you can be working in the lab, you can be working on a computer crunching numbers, you can be driving the haul truck if you want to, but there's really a space for everyone in mining, and if you're even remotely interested in, people should really look into it. I love to go hiking, and with the geology club on campus, we do a bunch of camping trips, but really I just love being outdoors. My name is Alma. I'm a geology student at the University of Arizona, and I am mining.